Hi everybody, welcome back to Stereo Blade. In this episode we're going to go get through these doors right here and keep moving on with the story, see what else is on ahead with these doors. Enter the fusion core right here. And there is a flooded core log, looks like.
But it's not running off.
Let's keep moving on. I'm just glad there's no battery in the water in this game. So the door's right there what we need to get to. Let's see what we need to do to get through it. There's a human over there. Let me try out the door and see how what I have to do to get through the door. I'm also thinking about going back up and seeing about that human too. So it needs a passcode, and I'm pretty sure it's that human right now, but I don't want to give up on the other human we missed the last time, so I might go back there and try that. But I check this again and make sure I'm not seeing things. Yeah, I can't do anything without a passcode. You can't even attempt to make something up. I'm really surprised it's still working on the water. I think they'll fry the dang thing after being on the water so long, I bet. It's going to take me a second, but I figure it out pretty soon where I have to go to get that human information from him. I'm like, I've only been here. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking like I might have to walk around the whole thing just to try to get it. But I didn't need to get items for myself, so I would go and buy some healing potions and stuff and move back on. I probably woke up all the enemies now because just doing that probably. I'm going to fight once I woke up last time. Let's take these out and increase our skill points. He didn't do the dang thing, didn't he? Easy. Like register. Yeah, we can even stand on that tailgate. That's the funny thing. Knocked off the other one's in the sky then. I'm still in a way trying to figure out how to get to that human over here, it says. There's a human behind that wall. It takes me a little while to figure out there's a thing over here. I'll get to it, I'll show you in a second. And that's the thing I was talking about. I was having the camera angle in the right spot, but they have their finger holds right there. I don't know why, how I missed it the whole time, the first video and stuff. The last video, I mean. But now we got here and we're going to jump down here and get that human's information. Then keep moving on. Hopefully get the other one pretty soon too. One in the water. Now I got here and I didn't realize there was a big old door over there, big empty part of the fence is tore out until just then. So let's talk to this body and see what we get information from it. So we finally made it into the elevator little place, and then we gotta move on up. I'm gonna check other spots around here, see if there's like a secret door open or something, which I don't think there is. So the only thing you gotta do here is just grab that rope. That like there's something down there. I think if you go to the very bottom, you might get something. Yeah, you grab an item. It's probably for crafting later. And I like to check all these doors too to see if there's anything here. See if they have like a secret one open for you or something, but they don't. Yeah, I don't want to miss anything, that's why I'm doing it so slow. Yeah, she has to be all fancy just to get off the rope. And look, we found another base. So let's go talk to the vending machine and start activating it. You can't do anything here until you activate the vending machine, actually. So after I've done that, I'm going to do all my upgrades and all my item buying and stuff, and I'll move on.
Adam, I was very surprised when I first met you.
Why?
Back in the colony, we learned that everyone on Earth was completely wiped out.
I'm sure it must have seemed that way. But you can't expect Mother Sphere to know everything.
Then there are other survivors out there, like you.
Yes, but it's rare to see them. Earth is still pretty inhospitable to humans. We're here.
Where's the transportation device?
Try activating this monorail panel.
So we got to the monorail, so we have to get power to back to that computer pretty much. Because I'm pretty sure we can't do nothing yet. So I'm pretty sure when I check it won't be nothing there. But look at that view. You just don't want to fall off that. I guess the whole city sunk underwater, it looks like almost. There's some guy in a pose. That's a nice looking skybox right there.
There is no power.
Yeah, it has no power at all, so like I said, we got
Let's
activated.
check the power control room under the stairs.
But I'm checking the other area, see what else we can do. I might even try to go down there and see what's down there too. Oh, look, a little puzzle right here. It's going to take me a little bit, but I'm going to solve it.
You have to reorganize the code in order to restore power. That's great. Try activating the monorail panel again.
Like I said, I'm going to go down here, see what's down here. Hopefully some items down here we need. Some money and stuff. They have enough money, it seems like. We almost got $500. Or gil, whatever they call it in this game. Yep, there's nothing else down here. She was trying to be fancy there for a second. Yeah. I don't have enough to craft anything yet. Yeah, I don't have the money for it yet. I'm living less than $50 off from it. So I pretty much got this place covered, so I'm going to activate and head on to the next area.
Something is heading our way.
Don't worry, it's the monorail.
This ancient electronic device is our transport.
All right then, after you. Eve, are you alright?
Oh, I was just remembering something from yesterday. The city, it's so quiet and so lonesome.
Well, that's what happens when a city becomes devoid of humanity. Eve, what are you going to do after you defeat the Alpha Natiba?
All airborne squad members exist for one sole purpose. All we must do is complete the mission.
You mean the extinction of all Natibas? Right? To think that the point of your existence is to snuff out another species. No fun in that. We're here. Do you want to get off?
That's one step closer where we need to get to. Oh, I just walked past a human.
Looks like this used to be a plaza.
You're right. Except it's underwater now. The good thing is you won't have to go in the water. The Hall of Records is that way.
I feel like I missed some stuff, so I'm coming back here and checking out. Yep, there's a door right here I didn't get into. Gonna open that, and there's a chest back here. Let's get it. Looks like that's like a new kind of suit we just got. But we have to craft it before we actually use it. I'm going to do that soon too. So this episode we might actually get a new suit. And look at these statue over there. Yeah, we don't have it yet. We gotta craft it because I didn't realize what we're doing. You gotta do that first. There's a lot of stuff we still gotta unlock. A lot of accessories too for people. A person, her sidekicks. So we're going to keep moving on here. I guess we can't go into the water yet because I act like we don't have to swim, so I guess we don't need to. And we're down here. There's only a red spot away for us. Just got activated with the vending machine like usual. I'm hitting the things because I thought there's like a, it would hit me get like a can of pop, because I know that you would collect pops in the game too, but I don't know where that's stored at.
It might be best to stay away from the water. Looks like there's electricity running through it.
There's a statue there. Then we got one of these monsters like usual with their basin. We'll try to take them out. Yep, we took them out very easily. And there's a big giant one right there now. There's a human we almost missed. So we're going to keep moving on. Try to take this guy out right here. Bait him over here in a bigger area. So we know guns with it. Spiky hand. Oh, watch it. Before it hit me. Just hit me both things. Perfect dodge one. Oh, he's kicking my butt. So I blew it up some. Dodge behind him. Cut him out. So actually we got enough now to make the suit if we wanted to. These are just statues. I think the water's electrifying, he says, so we can't really go in there. But my dumb butt is going to try anyways. Like you see, I take a damage right there. Go up, never mind. Well, there is a human down there, I think. Or something. So we're going to try to put this way, see what we can get over here. I think we just picked up a crafting item. This yellow morgue, that means we jump over this and start with the fight here. It's not here in the next point up. Because there's two more things grab holding spots right now. And I'm pretty sure there's an enemy here. There is. Now he grabbed me, slammed me down like usual. I'm very bad again past that grab dodge. I did dodge it and block that one, but I think you get damage from that kind of blocking. Let's get this. So this is the right way to go because we got past one for what we needed. It looked like. There's nothing else up here. So go head on back. Check this out one more time. There is some handholds here. I want to see where these lead to. octopus creature thing. We fought some of them in the demo, but they didn't look like that. Guess it might be green volatile. I think it's the only way to get a butt to. Well, it needs a perfect dodge. That's good. Oh, it spits stuff at you too. Where the hell you go? There he is. Oop. Missed me. I got something. Another monster goes loaded. Die if I don't watch it. I'm on red. Yep. Other guy came in and finished me off. So I might be able to beat him if I didn't get attacked by everything else. So I'm going to retry that again probably later. Probably not right this second, but later. Go and take another direction and see where that goes to. Well, here, up here leads to. This is where the place we're supposed to be going to, so I was trying to avoid it for now, because I don't know if it cuts me out of the part of the game or what. Ooh, he didn't get me. He had his hand out, but he didn't catch me enough. Grab him. Missed me. Down before he tried to grab me again. Alright, let's open this door.
Shopping done.
After we open that, I'm not done with this area yet, so I'm going to explore some more. See what's behind here. There's some crates. Probably something useful. So let's get through these monsters again and head back to the one we just got beaten by. It's going to take a few seconds to get back there. We're finally back. Let's see can we get a better try this time. First thing up, he starts spraying at us. Ooh, couldn't dodge it. Yeah, it's good ass, missed it. I need to heal up before I die again. There we go. Ah, missed me. Come on, I'm not going over there. That's what I stole in the bad trouble last time. Come on, just get closer. Hope it dodged that one. Yeah, we just got a special ability now. Yeah, we did be on that monster now. It's a new one in our inventory. The monster inventory now. So let's explore this area now since we got past that guy. Nice greenish. Oh, there's one. He's probably the one that killed us last time, wasn't he? And there's that spider creature, so whatever the heck it's supposed to be. Oh, 2 more enemies. There's a chest after we kill him. Pick him out, and we're gonna open his chest now after we open up the barrels. Keep pushing along by. There we go. We got no use for this yet.
This must be the control device for the flood. You can only activate it with the right credentials. Let's come back later.
Yeah, we don't have that stuff yet. But at least we know where it's at now. We're gonna keep moving on and see what else we got to pick up around here. Another statue. I don't know if that's the same statues we saw in the other port, just a few feet away from here. Or they just have another statue, or they're just using the same statue in some places. Take him out next. Easy enough. Cut this down. Yep, we got some money out of that one. Now we got, yep, the one that spits and this one in that statue over there. It vanished. Let's take out the spitter over here. Oh, the other one's trying to come at us. Take him out fast enough. Special on him. Took him out. There we go. I'm gonna go knock down that other statue, see what we get out of it. If anything. Nah. There's a chest in there for us. Much more crafting stuff and other items. Got some more money. I think the only thing left is to check what's up this ramp. Which I think is just 2 of these things. With more money. Yeah, there's nothing over there. We can't go over there at all anyways. So I think we've done everything we can over here, so I'm going to head on back. One thing I have to do later is come back and do that floodgate pass or whatever that's available. Yeah, I'm still checking around, but I'm pretty sure I got it all now. She smacked right into that wall, didn't she? I'm also going to check somehow to try to jump across that. Just a little gap here. We'll see can I get across it. See what's over there. Take some damage, but I'm just going to see if there's anything over here at all. Yeah, there's nothing. But it doesn't hurt to check. This is the kind of game you should check everything you can. Yeah, I grabbed that ramp before I got hurt. We'll go head on back and see what else we can do. Come back here, I'm going to use my skill points and I'm going to take a rest and probably buy some items too, so I'm going to do that for right now. Made through that door with the main passcode. We had a passcode for it, and now the only thing it leads to is another rest spot, which we just rested, but we're going to activate anyways. We'll probably upgrade ourselves if we can. There we go. I think I have the items and stuff we need to make this costume, so I'm going to do that right now. Then I'm going to try it on too. So we're going to play in that orange costume, black and orange costume for a little while now. I might go back to the green one because green's my favorite color, so I might do that later. I don't have any money now to upgrade anything, but I think I actually upgrade the new one I have on for one point. I think I won't have any more to do it next time. No, I had nothing at all. I'm just missing like 30 more for the old suit. And I had nothing for these yet. So we'll keep moving on after this.
Adam, do you meet airborne squad members from the colony often?
No, not really. Yesterday I just happened to be around the area. I've never seen such a large-scale airborne operation.
Why did you save me?
I'm not really sure. It just felt right. Like I was meant to. It's hard to describe. It's just a short, intense feeling.
And it's good to rest at the spots even if we don't need to, because it might get cutscenes like that. So that's, I think some of the cutscenes in the game were from just sitting down and talking to the robot. So we're going to keep moving on and see what's ahead of us now. Could have taken out fast enough before you go on second hand. Third hand, actually. We're going to get him. He's spinning. I'm just glad I think that spinner's not that far at all. Took him out. I think there's a chest right there, looks like. Let's see what's in it. I think it's gave us our first grenades and stuff we get buying out of the machine. So I got some stuff to throw at the enemies if I want to. Checking area still. Keep moving on, there's a lot of stuff still to get. Oh, there's a human record right here. Top here, and there's an enemy down here, but I don't think they're letting me do like a aerial kill. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I don't know if it's just for the demo they had that upgrade or what. I don't know, take him out and then drop across this. He exploded on himself. There's no crates here to break or anything, so I'm just gonna jump across this gap here.
It's a bit too far for that. How about you try jumping and dashing?
Yep, they told you about the jump dash, but I've done that before in that one gap by that water you saw me do a while back.
Everything looks like an apocalypse.
What?
Nothing. Just talking to myself.
Got to a new spot here in this flooded area, and it's kind of odd how Adam is acting like this is apocalypse, and Eve don't even know what that means. So he probably knows stuff we don't, a whole bunch of stuff probably. But let's keep moving on here and see what we gotta do around this area. There's some more of them dog spider things down there. There's some chests to break open here. Don't know what I'm trying to do. We've got another crafting item or something like that. Equipment. Got some money out of that one. Let's take all these things out right now. Both of them. Or at least one of them. That was stopped. The second one exploded on us. We got poked by the sword. This was awesome. I think it done special. I took him out before he had a chance to grab me that time. I guess took out the third one of them too. Spider dog things. There's a human on the water. We're going to try to get to him now. If I know what button to push. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of stupid that they have the prop only on a certain area. So it'd be a certain direction just to get the prompt to activate it. There we go. found some more ledges to grab, so I want to see where that takes me to right now. I'm going to head on up here and see what this goes to. Okay, it might be the place we just came from too. Oh, at least we got some money off it. And there's something here. A bunch of money. What's in here? Oh, I can't get through that yet. I think that's the way we just came to. So one thing, this is back up to the way it came from, and it also shows you there's a door there that we can't get through yet. It's like the extra door area to get back here easier. Yep, I pretty much explored the whole place, how it looks so far. I think that a clock has a big thing to do about this spot because they show it off like a big thing. So I'm going to try to look for that right now, what I'm doing. So that's going to take me a second just to look for that big clock. There it is right now. It looks like it's 12:25. So I might have to remember that or something. Yep, the password's 12:25. So the password's what that clock says. And I think that human, we picked up the information from that underneath that water was saying that. There's another human right here. It looks like we're done with all the stuff here, so we're going to head on up and see what's up here now. The whole place is crumbling underneath us. Take out these boxes. There's a few items there. And
I can see the Hall of Records. We're almost there now.
yep, we're probably going to have to do that next episode. I think this one's going to be ending pretty soon. We're going to head down to this rest area down here, and then we're probably going to call it after I activate it. Yeah, I'm going to check my upgrades and stuff, then we'll probably call it. We're after all that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you next time with another episode. And I'm hoping you're liking this game Let's Play right now. If you want more of this, hit them with likes and subscribes. Thank you all. Bye.